Stop wrestling with text that looks great on desktop, but breaks on mobile. Mastering responsive text in Webflow is simpler than you think. Understanding how your text behaves across different screen sizes is crucial for a seamless user experience in Webflow. This starts with our responsive design tools, specifically the Breakpoint slider. You'll see these icons at the top of your canvas. Each one represents a different screen size by default. Styles you set on the largest breakpoint, desktop, will carry down to smaller ones, but when you need to make adjustments, that's where targeted editing comes in. Let's focus on a heading on your desktop view. Set the font size exactly how you want it now. Click on the tablet breakpoint to see how the text might be too large. Simply select the heading again. Over in the Styles panel, next to the font size, you'll notice a small device icon. Click that this is key. It tells Webflow you want to apply this specific font size only to this breakpoint, and smaller adjust the font size here to something that fits better on a tablet. Repeat this process for the mobile portrait breakpoint again. Click that device icon and dial in the perfect font size for a comfortable reading experience on a small screen. This targeted approach ensures you're controlling the typography at each specific size. This method works for all text elements, paragraphs, navigational links, you name it. By strategically adjusting font sizes at each breakpoint, you ensure your text remains readable and visually appealing, no matter the device your audience is using. So next time you're designing, remember to leverage Webflow's breakpoint system and the targeted styling options. Your users will thank you for it, and your projects will look polished and professional on every screen.